Last tutorial we looked at passing objects to constructors um, um, as an argument to a constructor, and so we were constructor overloading. There is another way of doing it. It's like if I do, remember the name of the class is a data type, so it's fourth, the same as we've done int, and we give it a name. That's just declared that we're going to create one of these fourth class. We're not named the right class, right? And so that's a data type, and that's accepted because it knows this is one of us within the package. And so it's just like the same as int. You can put private on it, you can put public on it. That's a key that this is a data type. And so instead of passing an object, what we can do inside the constructor, we can say fc equals new fourth class. And so every time this constructor is run, a new object is going to be created, just the same as a new object here. And we can say that we want to use num5 equals the end. Why not? And so we can do it that way, and we can. And what if a constructor? We don't need to pass it the object to a constructor. We can have a constructor that will automatically create an object and do what we want from that class. But to give you more control, it's better if you have a constructor which you actually pass the object into it. But it's down to your own design. There's different ways of doing things. So that's us for object essentials. Object essentials, and I hope that's helped. And so if you go for that and look at it, take your time. That's object-oriented programming. It's object-oriented programming, so objects are the important part of it, which makes it different from sequential programming. And so it means that you can write a little bit of code, reuse it, and you can add it whenever you want through initializing objects and methods and data within the objects, and you can mix and match them all up and all doing creative things. And so it's important that you understand how to create them and how to pass them. And we looked at the null pointer exception. It's important that you look at that because you will in Java it will throw this, and because Java doesn't allow you to deal with the pointers, it does it itself. Anyone who learns Java, they won't, without the experience, they won't know what to do with it, because what's a null pointer exception? It doesn't have pointers, and so it's a different way of looking at that exception to try to solve it. And so look at that and you see what's happening, and you'll be able to do anything with you. If you want to program something, you'll be able to do it whatever way you want to do with your creative mind. The opportunities is there. So that's us for object essentials, and so I hope that's helped. And so we're going to continue with the arrays. I just had to bring this bit in because we're passing objects, arrays of objects and things like that. And so again, thank you.